There is no better way to lighten up that business email than by using an animated GIF pictures. Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo all allow you to email GIF picture, and here's how. Although GIF is viewed on Gmail mobile app will be animated, you can't still send GIFs using mobile app. Just put that in your mind. My name is Ahmed Rahman and welcome back to my channel where you can find out all tech related stuff, software and hardware reviews and more about that. Just we want you to ask and we are here to answer it deeply until you convince. Leave a comment if you have a question, hit like if you are satisfied, and to know more about tech in near future, be sure to subscribe our channel. Okay, let us get started. There are two main ways to insert GIF into a Gmail. You can simply copy and paste the GIF's webpage link, or you can upload GIF locally from your computer. So, by uploading a GIF from your computer, simply select the insert photo icon, and then select upload. You can upload your GIF from here, inserting it into the body of your email. So the next way is copy and paste the GIF's link. So first, open Gmail, then select compose. Next, find your desired GIF. Once you locate it, you will need the GIF's link to copy into Gmail. Tip: most links will be called a GIF link, so if you are stuck, notice the links that have a media in front of the URL. Copy your GIF's link. You can find any links from any websites, but I personally prefer a website called Giphy.com. So when you are done finding your GIF picture or whatever you are doing, just return to your email and select the insert photo icon in the bottom toolbar. Then select web address URL. Paste your GIF link into the field. Gmail will show you an animated preview of your image. If everything looks good, then select insert. Done, your GIF is ready to be sent. Sending a GIF through Outlook is quite similar to sending one through Gmail. To get it started, open Outlook on your computer or even your browser. Once Outlook is open, select new email to start composing. In the top ribbon, select pictures, then select picture from profile. Note: GIFs entered into Outlook on desktop will not animate. GIFs are not supported as of yet and will appear as a static image. Amazing, you are all done. So the last one is by using Yahoo Mail. Yahoo makes it incredibly easy to send GIF using their built-in GIF tool. You can also use drag and drop your favorite GIF using their inline photo capabilities. So the first method is using Yahoo GIF tool. To find a GIF using the Yahoo tool, open Yahoo Mail. Then select compose to start a new email. In the bottom toolbar, select a GIF icon. Here you will find a collection of popular GIFs. So you can choose from these popular GIFs or search for your own using the search field. Once you find the perfect GIF, select it to insert into your email. There you have it. Your GIF is ready to be sent. The next method is by using Yahoo drag and drop feature. Find your GIF on your computer and drag and drop it into your body of the email. If your GIF is not animated, make it sure the file is .gif. That's it. Alright, I hope you now know how to make your emails effective and more informative by adding GIF pictures. As I said before, if you have a question, let me know in the comments down below. Hit like and subscribe for more amazing future videos. Okay, see you soon. Have a good one.